Let's make product manipulation. Make 3 green shade gradient background. Bring a chips in PNG and adjust it. Make copy of chips and apply mask to remove some parts. And make opacity low. Take new layer brush with black to give shadow effect. Bring potatoes in PNG and just behind the chips. Make copy of potatoes and apply mask to remove some parts. And make opacity low. Take new layer brush with black to give shadow effect. Now bring a chips bowl and apply color balance on it. Do the same process to make shadow effect. Clip new layer to potato and brush with black to give shadow. Do the same process with chips also. Bring leaves in PNG and adjust in back and front of chips. Thank you for watching.